I'm Shareefa Energy, I'm from Leicester. My inner child is frustrated. She is frustrated with being contained, being forced into a cage, expected to behave, to turn down her volume, for these English streets do not hold space for big spirits. Turn down the volume on your bass. Don't let us hear the treble to your element. We will strangle the echo of your soprano, for happiness of high volumes is not welcome on this side of the bay. My inner child is frustrated. She wants to swing open patio doors, run out onto the street with bare feet, feel the sun ecstatic to greet her skin, untangling her hair as the gentle breeze of the wind. My inner child wants to wake daily, a permanent smile etched on her face, gradually rocking herself out of her hammock, stretching, muscles tensing before greeting the day. My inner child, she loves to play, playing freely outside, nature filling her eyes, acres of land in the distance, walks to the jungle to bathe in the river. My inner child wants to throw her head back. She wants to freeze in her frame, absor from laughter's harmonies, giving her bellyache, deep soul-shaking, contagious belly laughs, exiting her vessel.